Hello Taurus, welcome to Brutally True Tarot, and this is your reading from 16th of April to 30th of April. So let's check what are the messages for you. Four of Pentacles, the Fool, Seven of Swords, the Magician, and the Princess of Wands. Okay, I see that Taurus with this Princess of Wands, like you are the best thing to look at right now. It's like people are attracted towards you. Princess of Wands is confident. Princess of Wands is beautiful. Princess of Wands know how to make the decisions. And there is something about you that is so infectious. And I feel like that a lot of people around you are pretending to be someone else just to get your attention. I feel that someone feels like they're not good enough. Okay, we have the card of the Magician. This is someone new. Maybe you haven't been in this relationship for a long time. Maybe this person comes from a totally different place, different culture. Maybe you speak different language, but there is something that you don't completely know about this person with the card of the Magician. It could be someone you might have met online, or someone who is interesting, but you don't know them completely right now. And I feel like a lot of people want to know you. A lot of people want to get your attention. And with the Seven of Swords, I already see you getting ahead. It's like Taurus is ready to take the challenge. Taurus is ready to explore the unknown, and they're not afraid of anything. I see that you are getting bold and you're ready for the next adventure, because here we have the card of the Fool. You are taking the leap of faith. It's like that this person is really charming. They are doing all the right things. They are good looking. They are attractive. They are, possibly they're flirtatious. And right now, all you care about is, some excitement. You want some juice in your life, and you don't care how long this relationship will end or how far will this go. But this is something you cannot resist, Taurus. Unlike your behavior, you are not being cautious right now. You are not getting into the details. You are not being the detective right now. Because often before making a decision, you give it a lot of thought. But right now, I see that you are ready to jump into this adventure. You want to take pleasure in this, flow of love. You want to get carried away in this stream. So right now, here we have Four of Pentacles. Looks like that you are ready to unleash your spirit. You are ready to show the wild side of your personality. You are ready to be the bull you are. You want to be reckless right now, and that happens seldom. So I think that this week is going to be quite exciting for you, and I see that you are ready to take the adventure, and I see that you're enjoying a lot. You don't care about the swords ahead. You're being careless. You're being fierce, and people are seeing the other side of your personality, and they see you as someone bold. They see you as someone live, and they absolutely love what they see. This could be an air sign. We have a lot of swords, and then we have wands. Could be a fire sign as well, although that is not so important because this is a journal reading and this is not going to resonate for all. You can also check your moon and rising sign. So let's go ahead and check some more messages for you. King of Wands, okay, Ten of Wands, Seven of Cups, Ten of Swords, and here we have Three of Wands and Six of Pentacles as well. Okay, an extra card for you. So here we have King of Wands and Princess of Wands. Looks like you are the perfect match. You were meant to meet each other, and you were meant for each other. So they have met the right person, and it's only you who can handle them. The King of Wands is awestruck by Princess of Wands, and he loves the way she handles him. She controls him. Possibly this person likes your dominance. This person likes your attitude. This person likes the way you are looking right now, bold and untamed. And now here we have Ten of Wands, Taurus. This person feels like you are expecting a lot for them. I mean, you are not saying anything, you are not asking for anything, but this person has this in their mind that someone like you will expect a lot. You deserve a lot, they know. They somehow feel the pressure of matching your expectations, or, you know, to be good enough for you. And with this Ten of Wands, this person is not telling you, but they are really self-conscious. They are trying really hard to impress you. And with the Seven of Cups, it's like they know that Taurus is not, serious about this right now. Taurus knows that they will take their time, and they will make the decision in the end. They cannot take them for granted. They cannot, they cannot think that this is the final commitment, or Taurus is already in love with them just because they are hanging out with them, just because they are spending some time with them. And they know that they need to work on it. With this Ten of Swords, somehow it's like that their dream will be over in minutes. Okay, it's like they see you like a dream. They are having a good time. They feel like that you are the right one, you are the right companion. And then Taurus is nowhere to be seen. I don't mean that you have left them alone or something, but it's your own way of dealing with people. I see that you're not being clingy. You have had a nice time, but then you need a break. You need to think about this person, and it's not like that you will be looking for them all the time. And this person wants the attention. Even if you are telling them that you cannot meet them for a while or at a particular time, they take it as rejection. They feel like that you have already rejected them, and they are oversensitive right now, and they're over analyzing the things. With the Six of Pentacles, they need your help. They constantly need your advice. They need to listen to you. They need to be in touch with you. Somehow this person is craving for your presence. And with the Three of Wands, this person is thinking of the future. I see that they are planning a lot. Even if you don't know, they have created this whole world of imagination, and they are looking forward to the future. They want a future with you. Let's take an oracle message for you, Taurus. Lord Shiva, transcendence, and rise up, honor your inner force. Steps are being given. Dance with the universe. So Lord Shiva is telling you to rise up. You need to know who you are, Taurus. Honor your inner force. You have inner force. You have this power. You are the untamed bull. Steps are being given. Steps are being given. Opportunities are presenting themselves before you. And dance with the universe. You need to follow your intuition. You need to take whatever is being given to you right now, and later things will fall into line itself. You need not think about the future. Live in the present. That is the message of this oracle. So this was the reading for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.